We're here in Collegetown Court on the 4th floor landing. We're just across from the elevator. We're going to go into apartment 406. This is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here on the 4th floor of this 5-floor building. As we enter, this door to our right is the bathroom. We'll come back and take a look at that in a minute. But let's go on in and see the kitchen and living space first. Over here on our right is the open kitchen layout, and we have the refrigerator. There's the dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove, and oven. And you can see we've got some great counters and cabinets in here. So over across from us is the open living room space. We've got a dining table and chairs. There's a TV, there's an air conditioner that is for the living room, and there are some tables and other seating areas. You may move the furniture around however you like. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I like the bathroom here in this apartment. This is the largest bathroom that we have in Collegetown Court. In any of the apartments, this 06 style. So we've got the counter over the toilet, that large mirror. The mirror is reflecting the towel bars. We'll see those on the other side. The big tub shower, and there's those towel bars over here. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So we have this layout of apartment on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in this 5-floor building. We're going to go into the first bedroom, bedroom 1. As we go in, this is right next to the kitchen. All of the rooms will have the same furnishings. You have your desk and chair, a dresser, a bookshelf, a closet, a full-size bed, a window with a mini blind. The window does open. We are on the north side of the building. So this behind us is a church that's on Oak Avenue. They are a quiet neighbor. It is quieter here in this back corner of the building. You are away from the street. We are in central Collegetown, so we're surrounded by buildings on all sides here. Let's go to room 2. Room 2 is the same size as room 1. It does have a difference that we've got, and you'll see that right away. We have that second window. Room 2 is the only bedroom in the apartment that has that second window. So that's nice to have. So you have that bigger north-facing window, and then you have this window over here that faces to the west, so that's definitely bright in the afternoon. And again, we're here in central Collegetown, so we're buildings around on all sides. Let's go around. We'll take a look. There's the bookshelf over there, closet behind. We'll take a look at the closet in the next room. They're all the same size. I think that's a great dresser space. You do have good storage options here in the apartment. We're going back through that living room. Let's go over across into room 3. So this apartment building does have an elevator, 2 sets of stairs. There's a fitness room on the first floor at the entrance to the building. There's also laundry on floor 2. This is room 3. This one is slightly different in shape. It is the same overall size as rooms 1 and 2. However, it is more square. So the area is about the same, but it's just shaped differently. We've got a more square or wider layout, and it's a little shorter than the other room. So it just feels a little different. And here we're now in the west-facing room. So the buildings, again, behind us, those are the back of buildings that are on College Avenue here in central Collegetown. And there we've got the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the dresser. Oh, let's take a look at the closet while we're in this one. So the closet will always be the same. So we've got the shelf, the hanging rod. It's just a regular closet. Let's go and see the last bedroom here in this apartment. And this is bedroom 4. This is the largest room. You can see we kind of wrap around as we go in. Let me go back here. We'll wrap around. This is the largest of the bedrooms. So we've got some more floor space. This is great if somebody has a little extra stuff. This would be a great choice of bedroom. So again, same furnishings, but more floor space, also facing to the west. Bookshelf, desk and chair, dresser, full-size bed, window with mini blinds. And we probably have more open space from this one over to our left, over to the south direction. And there's that bookshelf. Again, so you can see this one is larger than the other rooms. So that's a look at Collegetown Court, apartment 406. Just peek in that closet there one time. Apartment 406. We're in a 5-floor elevator building here at 208 Dryden Road. We're located right in central Collegetown from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road that we're just steps away from. We are just 1 block to campus here in the heart of Collegetown at Collegetown Court, apartment 406.